איתן, לאן אתה הולך? לאן אתה הולך? You got a boogie?
Yeah.
Eitan, where are you going?
Where are you going, Ethan?
Are you going shopping?
Yeah, but the girl open the gate. Then you'll go to mommy car. You'll go up a car.
And where are you going?
We're going in truck.
And where are you going?
We're going in truck.
Okay, and then where are you going to go?
We're going in truck. We're going in a truck.
Okay, once we get in the car, where are you going?
We're going in a truck.
Okay.
We're going in a truck.
With Abba's shoes?